Good afternoon, Westfield, and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. Let's begin, as always, with our promise. 1, 2, 3. We promise, we before me, encouraging to everyone, safe and respectful to all, the best that we can be, full of courage, inspired and inspiring to others, excellent in all we do, learning together, determined to succeed. Let's find out who has been impressing their teacher this week and go straight to ducklings, puffins and wrens. Who is Pupil of the Week?
Hello ducklings. This week our pupil of the week is Lila. Lila, we are delighted that you have got a place at reception at Westfield now. You are an excellent pupil all round. You apply yourself diligently to your work, you try new activities and you do it all with the most amazing smile. We're so pleased you're continuing your learning journey with us at Westfield. Well done, Lila.
So this week we have chosen Kian. We always notice how well you give everything a good go. You always try your best. We love the way that you are really engaged in your mark making at the moment, and you have been a really kind friend to your peers in class, particularly with Felix. So well done, Kian.
This week we have chosen Tommy to be our pupil of the week. Tommy, you have shown that over the past few weeks of how much you have improved with your writing. It is really, really lovely to see. Your handwriting is beautiful and that you are applying your phonics when you're writing as well. And you're also using it when you're in continuous provision, and you are also showing that you are willing and happy to write, which is a massive change from September. So well done, Tommy. You are our pupil of the week.
Moving on and up into year 1, let's find out now about our magpie class and our wagtail class.
This week's pupil of the week for magpie class is somebody who last week found it a tricky week with his work and sometimes in behaviour, but this week has come back and absolutely smashed it. He's turned it right round. He's showing me lovely work, super behaviour, excellent active listening, making the right choices, and I'm so proud of him because he doesn't always find everything very easy. He's very capable. He's shown that he can work in a partnership on his own. His handwriting this week has been absolutely superb, and I'm just really, really proud of the way he's shown resilience and determination. We are both very proud of his this week. Both myself and Miss Springfield both said the same name at the same time. So our pupil of the week for magpie class this week is Antoine. We are very proud of you, so have a lovely weekend, and I'm sure Mum and Dad will be super proud too.
Wagtail's pupil of the week this week is Niall. We have all been so impressed with his attitude to his learning this week and his determination when tackling those tasks that are a little bit challenging. His behaviour has been fantastic. He's trying really, really hard to let the adults help him when there's a problem, and talking through his feelings as well, which can sometimes be really tricky to do. So well done, Niall. Keep up that super learning and that super behaviour. Well done.
Excellent. And in year 2, what about herons and robins?
Heron pupil of the week this week is Finley. Finley, you have really impressed me this week with your active listening. You have just been on it and setting such a great example to all the other children. And Finley, I've really noticed just a maturity in your attitude as well. You are definitely ready for your transition to year 3, and you will absolutely smash it. Well done, Finley.
My pupil of the week in Robin class this week goes to Max. I'm really happy to say that my decision this week was very easy. I actually decided earlier on in the week during our P session. So the reason I've given you pupil of the week, Max, is because you were truly showing the part of our promise, we before me. You were showing that your ability to put others before yourself and just your kindness. You were helping others in your team during our P session, and not because I'd asked you to, just because it was the right thing to do, and it was just really lovely to see, Max. So well done.
And in year 3 this week, I wonder who Miss Gray and Mr. Gooch have chosen.
Pupil of the week for Sparrow class this week is somebody who shows each day that they can challenge themselves and that they really, really want to be the best version of themselves. And over the past few weeks, they have just been skyrocketing in what they're doing and how they're doing. And it's just been absolutely incredible and a real privilege to watch. We've been watching you bloom in your confidence. How you've grown in just the last 3 weeks has absolutely blown our socks off. So we are really, really impressed with you, Evie. We really want to say a huge well done, and we really hope you keep it up, which I'm sure you will, and I'm so excited to what you're going to do when you go into year 4.
Hi everybody, it's me Mr. Gooch here, and my pupil of the week this week is somebody who has been super focused on making sure that their work is beautifully presented, being the best that they can be, and making sure that they are showing their true colours and that fantastic work attitude. And that person this week is Lacey. Well done, Lacey, you've been absolutely wonderful. Keep it up, it's been fantastic.
And in year 4, Miss Ford. Who have you chosen for Mockingbird class, and Mr. Claridge for Raven class?
Hey Mockingbirds, the person we've chosen this week has absolutely excelled this year. They're so much more confident in their learning, they're resilient, they're encouraging other people around them. It's just been an absolute pleasure to see them blossom this year. And that person is Jessie. Well done, Jessie.
Hello everyone, thank you very much. Good afternoon. My pupil of the week this week. It has finally happened. The day has come. Mr. Harley Jordan is my pupil of the week this week, and I could not be more proud of him. It's not just he's done one thing amazing, so I've given him pupil of the week. No. He has tried amazingly hard in class, around the school. Miss Hubbock has told me about amazing things. Miss Gray has told me about amazing things he's done. Miss Egan has told me about amazing things he's done. Really kind and respectful to other teachers when I've not been there, to Mrs. Taylor, to Mr. Preston, just being the kindest, most respectful person that he can be. And even when he struggled, even in those moments, he is making those right choices. And I could not be prouder of you, Harley. You are doing really, really amazing. Keep up that hard work. You are turning things around and you're being amazing. So happy you finally got pupil of the week. Thoroughly deserved. Well done, Harley. Keep it up.
And in year 5 this week, our Kestrels and Kingfishers.
This week, Kestrel's person of the week is Max. We've been practicing our dance this week, as I'm sure a lot of you have been as well. And it's been really fantastic having Max's energy in the classroom while we've been practicing and sharing all of his ideas and things like that. It's just been really inspiring. And also, on the inspiring note, I've noticed that Max has been really supportive of his teammates, especially during maths, because I know he's very confident with his maths. And he's just been helping those around him when they're struggling with stuff, and it's just really nice to see. So well done, Max.
Hello, my pupil of the week in Kingfisher class this week is Grace. Grace, we've been so impressed with your attitude to learning this week. You've really been giving everything your absolute best, which has been amazing to see. Your answers in class have been absolutely wonderful. You've been really contributing well to our whole class discussion, and you have produced loads and loads of absolutely fantastic work. So well done, Grace. Keep up the brilliant stuff.
And finally, in year 6, let's find out about our Starling and Eagle class.
From Starling class, our pupil of the week this week is someone who started impressing us in September, and they've never really stopped impressing us throughout the whole year. This person has got an amazing work ethic. They come in every morning ready to learn new things and to be challenged and to go home being the best learner that they could have been all day. This person listens to us all the time, takes on board everything that we say to them. This person is really kind and friendly in the classroom and shows respect to everybody. This person has a great sense of humour and is always trying to help other people as well. We're so proud of you. Congratulations, Chisholm.
Good afternoon. My pupil of the week this week from Eagle class is Phoebe. There are so many different reasons that I could pick you, Phoebe, but quite honestly, you have shone with your academics over the past few weeks. You've been engaged with all of your learning, you've been asking really relevant questions, and you've just been excelling yourself. You've been getting on with everybody who's been working alongside you, and you've really helped others thrive too. Fantastic qualities. Well done. Keep it up.
Hello Westfield, I'm just bringing you a Key Stage 2 Sports Day update. We had a fabulous day yesterday, despite the weather, and the children showed great speed, skill, accuracy, energy, determination, fun, and teamwork. And the results are as follows. Joint runners-up are Year 6 and Year 3. Really well done. The results were very close. In second place was year 5. So yes, you've worked it out. Really well done, and a big congratulations to year 4, who absolutely smashed it. And I think perhaps just that little extra element was your teamwork. Really well done to everybody.
Really well done to everybody. Now time is ticking and we have just 2 weeks left together until we get to the end of term, with our year 6 children having even less time. Your activity week begins next week and you have lots to look forward to. We also have our Key Stage 1 Sports Day. I know Key Stage 2 is a little bit rained off, but you've got your races to catch up on this week. And of course, we have our dances to perform. And I have my fingers crossed that the weather will be kind and that we can welcome our families onto site to watch you perform. So still much to look forward to and much to achieve. Now, our staff member of the week. I actually had a list from our team of people who have really demonstrated their commitment to our school, but the person who has received the most votes this week is somebody who is kind, caring, dedicated, hardworking, intrinsically motivated to be the best that she can be. Now there's a clue. She takes her classroom responsibility incredibly seriously, but also her responsibility outside of the classroom in her subject leadership. Now this week as well, she's been connecting with her new class, again without being prompted, out onto the playground at lunchtime, making those invaluable connections with her new children. And I think you've probably guessed by now, team, because many of you voted for her. It is, of course, Miss Broadbent. Really well done. Thank you everybody for all your contributions this week. Have a wonderful weekend and we will see you all next week. Bye bye.